Spring is probably the leanest time of year for finding mushrooms, but it's certainly still worth the effort to go looking. It's early May and I'm exploring Bodnant Gardens in North Wales to see the season in full and glorious bloom and to scout out likely fungal habitats to revisit later in the year. One might think that a garden is too orderly and heavily managed for the Fifth Kingdom to thrive, but quite the opposite is in fact the case. Top quality substrate, plenty of food and water, and a variety of different environments from cheerful meadows to the arid or tropical give comfortable homes to a wide array of species. Here, amongst the dappling garlic flowers, fairy ink caps make their first appearance. Around 90% of land plants form mycorrhizal relationships with fungi, and in a garden like this, there are more plants and with a greater diversity than in any typical wood. And off the beaten track, of course, in shady spots amongst the trees, one finds ideal wood chip corners where mushrooms are sure to appear when the rain returns. After a beautiful day taking in the plants and the wildlife, then in the shade of a century-old pine tree, more mushrooms reveal themselves. Tough shanks, to round off an adventure filled up with natural wonder. Spring is a lean time for mushrooms, but the hunt brings you closer to so much else besides.